Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Inspiron. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common issue, a cracked screen on your Dell Inspiron. This can happen due to accidental drops or pressure on the device. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage, including display failure or even issues with the internal components. So, let's get started with the repair. For this task, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a suction cup, and of course, a replacement LCD screen. Now, let's move on to the repair process. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the base. This will help you create a slight gap for your prying tool. Carefully insert the plastic prying tool into the gap you've created and run it along the edges to release the clips holding the screen in place. Once you've loosened all the clips, you can gently lift the screen away from the laptop. Now, you'll need to disconnect the video cable. This is usually located at the back of the screen. Be cautious as you gently pull it away from the motherboard connection. After disconnecting the cable, you can now remove the faulty screen completely. Take your new LCD screen and align it with the hinges and the video cable. Connect the video cable first, ensuring it's seated properly. Next, you'll want to secure the screen back into place. As you do this, ensure that you're not pinching any wires or damaging nearby components. Once everything is aligned, gently press down until you hear the clips click back into position. Now, it's time to secure everything with the screws you removed earlier. Be careful not to over-tighten them, a firm hand will do the trick. After securing all screws, power on your Dell Inspiron to check if the new screen is working correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a protective case for your laptop and always handle it with care. Avoid placing heavy items on top of it and be mindful of where you set it down. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.